thing that is annoying for trucking companies is having to switch between a bunch of different tabs or applications or logins in order to bring a load through its life cycle. With Alvys, we developed the tech with the end user in mind. It was created for trucking company owners by trucking company owners, and we wanted you to be able to bring the load all the way through its life cycle with just one login, with just one window. You know, it's one thing to have a bunch of features, but being able to execute the necessary task in just one window is another thing. And I think we underestimate how much more efficient we get when it's one platform where we're doing everything, including billing and accounting. All of that is in one place. It makes us a lot faster and helps us avoid headaches.